Samsung's trifold Galaxy is coming at Unpacked 2025. Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and more. Ready for the future of foldables? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 and its trifold bombshell. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked is set for July 9th, 2025 in New York, and leaks suggest a showstopper, the Galaxy G Fold, Samsung's first trifold smartphone, expected to debut in October but teased in July following the Galaxy S25 Edge's playbook. Hinted early, launch later. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will star at Unpacked, hitting stores in August with advanced AI and sleek designs. Reservations are open now with 3x reward points and a $50 credit for gear like the Galaxy Watch 8. No purchase needed. Grab these deals fast. Expect the Galaxy Watch 8 series, Watch 8, Classic, and Ultra alongside new audio gear. Samsung's also teasing Project Moohan, an Android XR headset, possibly launching in October. Experts are buzzing, calling the trifold and Moohan a tech revolution. Samsung's pushing boundaries with the trifold Galaxy G Fold, blending tablet and phone vibes. With Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and Project Moohan, Unpacked 2025 could redefine tech. X fans are hyped for the trifold's insane versatility. July 9th, Unpacked will set the stage with the trifold's full launch likely in October alongside Project Moohan. Samsung's all in on foldables and XR. 2025 is their year. Are you excited for Samsung's trifold or Project Moohan? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.